Data, taking on a thorough drive and show you many of the unique aspects throughout the interior as well as exterior. Box below. So without further ado, let's go ahead and hop on in, start it up, let her run. This example is finished in blue Tour de France, complemented by an interior combination of Cuello and Nero premium leather upholstery with blue accent stitching. Starting up the 488 is a little bit different from the 458 in the fact that you don't actually have a key anymore. It's a full push-button ignition system. So you just keep the little key fob within the interior. There's actually a little space to set it down in the console there. Then simply put your foot on the brake and hit the steering wheel button to go. The 488 borrows its steering from the 458 Speciale, a hydraulically assisted rack and pinion setup that's said to be 8% quicker, leading to sharper turn-ins with less effort required from the